In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Canva. If you've ever felt stuck trying to write presentation text, create original visuals, or clean up images inside a design, Canva's built-in AI tools can make the whole process much faster and easier. Instead of jumping between different apps and websites, Canva brings these features together in one place through Magic Studio. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find those tools, how to generate images from text, how to get writing help, how to edit photos with AI, and finally, how to export your finished design. To begin, open Canva and go to your homepage. From there, look through your recent projects and open the design you want to work on. This could be a presentation, a document, a flyer, or any other Canva project. Once you open it, you'll be inside the main editing workspace, where all of Canva's AI features can be accessed. Next, let's find the main AI hub. In your open project, move to the lower right corner of the screen and look for the Magic Assistant button, marked with purple sparkle icons. Click it once, and Canva will open a panel with helpful AI options. This is a good starting point whenever you want quick access to Canva's intelligent tools. Now let's generate an image using text. On the left sidebar, click Apps, then search for Magic Media. Open it, and you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the image you want to create. Try to be clear and specific so the results are closer to what you have in mind. After that, choose a style like cinematic, watercolor, or anime, then click Generate Image. Canva will create 4 image options for you in just a few moments. If you need help writing, Canva can do that too. Double-click inside a text box on your design to bring up the text formatting toolbar. From there, click Magic Write. You can choose actions like continuing your writing, summarizing text, or rewriting it in a different tone. This is especially useful when you have an idea but need help turning it into polished copy. For photo editing, click on an image in your design, then select Edit Photo from the top toolbar. In the editing panel, explore tools like Magic Eraser and Magic Grab. Magic Eraser lets you brush over unwanted objects to remove them, while Magic Grab helps separate the main subject from the background so you can reposition it more freely. Once everything looks good, do a quick final review, move elements around, and use Canva's alignment guides to keep your layout clean and balanced. When you're ready to export, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Set the file type to PNG for high quality output, and click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.